Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you find that dynamic lock is not working on your system, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is very simple and but obvious, that we have to check whether the dynamic lock has been enabled. So for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on accounts, and then we need to click in sign in options. And here we need to check whether this button has been checked or not. It was not checked, so we need to check it. Dynamic lock is not working because your PC has no paired phone or Bluetooth, so we need to pair the phone and this will start working again. Now another simple fix is to reconnect the Bluetooth device. So what we'll do is right click on the start button, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices. We will disconnect the device that is logged onto the system, and then we will reconnect by clicking on add device and then clicking on Bluetooth and making sure that this pairs with the phone. The third option is to update the Bluetooth drivers. So we'll do that by looking for device manager, expand Bluetooth, click on MediaTek Bluetooth adapter, right click and click on update driver. And that should fix the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.